Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this tutorial we're going to focus on out of my belly tutorial. So this is a follow-up from a comment. Someone wanted to know how to play the chord progression for this song. So Out of My Belly by Prospa Ochimana. So I'm going to make it very brief and simple for beginners. The key of this song, the original key, is E flat or D sharp. So you know I'm more familiar with the C. I prefer to play the C shape. So I'm going to have the E flat on the 4th fret with my middle finger on the root note. But I can also play the A shape when I come to the 8th fret. So the chord progressions are pretty simple. So you can play it in any key once you know the number. So 6 is the La. So out of my belly shall flow the 1, rivers 5, rivers 2 of living water 3, and 6. So that's the first part. Then the la la la, you can play the same la 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 la, the 5 la 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 2 la 3, then 6 again. Then the other part, and as the river flows, let's go to 1. And as the river flows, it begins to bring everything back to life. 5 is a life-giving river. The life-giving river, I would rather play 4 here. So let it flow. Then 3, then 6. And as the river flows, it begins to bring everything back to life. It's a life-giving river, so let it flow right here, right now. Out of my belly, out of my belly shall flow river, rivers of living water, So this might not be beginner friendly depending on your level. If you are not fond of the bar chords, I'll advise that maybe you watch my tutorial on the bar chords, and if you want to use the couple, you can feel free so that you play. And since you are likely not to be conversant with bar chords, maybe the F chord might be a problem, so maybe you can try. Once there's a 3 chord, you're definitely going to need a bar chord, even if you play in the G shape. So let's play the C shape with a couple. Out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living water. So that's the same progression. So the chords are actually in reference to the couple, not as in the actual fret number or the actual chord name. Let it flow, 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 let it flow. So let it flow right here, right now. And as the river flows, it begins to bring everything back to life. It's a life-giving river, so let it flow right here, right now. So if I should go to G, because E flat is somewhere here. If you want to play in the same key, you have to put the couple on the 8th fret, and once you are getting close to the end of the fretboard, you're going to have it in a very high tone, which may not sound professional for an acoustic. Okay. Out of my belly, so 6 shall flow wine, then 5 rivers of living water. Sorry, that's it. Let me play in G instead of playing the original key. So out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. So if you watch my tutorials on how to play in any key, you get the way forward. So this is actually the main the basic chord progressions that you need for this song. So maybe let's do a play along. I try to put some loops together. So if you see, I'm using a simple strumming pattern. So out of my belly shall flow. So let's go. Out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. Out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. So let it flow right here, right now. As the river flows, it begins to bring everything that's alive. It's a life-giving river, so let it flow right here, right now. So this is the major progression. So oh, let it flow, let it flow. So I think the let it flow is just the same. Flow that. Let it flow, let it flow. It's 1. Let it flow, let it flow. 5. Let it flow, then 2. So let it 3. Right here, then 6. So I think these are the major progressions that you need for this song. And leave in the comment section if you have any other variation that you think it would be nice to look out to check it out. Yeah, thanks for watching this video so far. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. And don't forget to share. And if you want tutorials like this, suggest any song and I will make a tutorial on that. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Let it flow, let it flow.